Welcome, make breakfast. Good morning.
Good morning. स्वादिका.
स्वादिका.
माइक्रोवेव.
नहीं बेटा.
अंडे दो और इसमें डोसा हो गया. Lunch.
Hi guys. Come with me to make a breakfast in where
Phuket.
where we are? नहीं Phuket का.
Traitrang Beach.
In Traitrang Beach. Tarun is here to help me. Tarun, say hi.
Hi.
And he's making dosa, a plain dosa. Though it's yay! But I was supposed to make it. You are making it for me. Thank you. Did you put oil in it?
I'll put थोड़ा सा. Once dry, I'll put olive oil.
हाँ. And you make your every meal in this pan.
Yeah.
Ah.
Bachelor life से कम बर्तन धोने पड़ेंगे.
घी नहीं है.
घी नहीं है. मैं घी नहीं खाता. Ghee is not that healthy compared to olive oil and mustard oil and sesame oil.
But you know now you're not supposed to cook.
Little bit is fine. बस crispy करने के लिए.
I mean I use olive
not
oil
doing deep
only for
fry.
salad like.
Deep fry नहीं करेंगे तो चलेगा.
But ghee is supposed to be. Guys, this is idli masala. What do you call it?
Fried idli, chili fried idli.
Chili fried idli. And this is
walnut, almond, pumpkin seed, ghee, South Indian chutney.
wow. Oh, you make some. Hey, my breakfast is ready. And I'm supposed to sit. Yeah. Done.